Light roast versus medium roast. Which one actually has more caffeine? You might be surprised, but the answer flips the common belief. Most people assume the darker the roast, the stronger the coffee. But caffeine doesn't work that way. Let's rewind to the roasting process. Light roast beans are roasted for a shorter time at a slightly lower temperature. Medium roasts go longer and hotter, developing more caramelized sugars and body, but also losing more internal moisture. And here's the key. The longer a bean roasts, the more water it loses, and the more it expands. That means medium roast beans weigh slightly less than light roast beans per bean. Caffeine, on the other hand, is fairly stable during roasting. It doesn't burn off easily. Only a tiny amount is lost, even in dark roasts. But since light roast beans are denser and retain more mass, you get more caffeine per scoop if you measure by volume. So if you're using a scoop to measure, light roast usually has more caffeine, because more bean mass fits in the scoop. If you're brewing by weight, say 18 grams of beans per cup, then the caffeine levels are very close. The actual difference? Maybe 1 to 2 milligrams of caffeine. That's not enough to noticeably impact your energy levels. So why does light roast feel stronger to some people? It might be psychological, or even due to taste perception. Light roast tends to be brighter, more acidic, and sharper. That intense flavor can trick your brain into thinking it's stronger, even when it's not. So which one wins? If you scoop your beans, light roast usually gives you more caffeine. If you weigh your beans, they're almost equal. And if you're drinking coffee for the flavor, not the buzz, then choose the roast that excites your taste buds. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about caffeine. It's about how you brew and what you enjoy in your cup.